Let me take you on a virtual tour of the Carnival Adventure, one of the newest and most exciting ships in Carnival's fleet that launched in 2022. This Excel-class beauty is making waves in the cruise industry with some pretty impressive features that set it apart from the competition. With a capacity for around 6,000 passengers and spanning 20 passenger decks, this floating city has been turning heads since its maiden voyage from Port Canaveral. The ship belongs to Carnival's innovative Excel class, sharing DNA with sister ships Carnival Celebration and Carnival Jubilee, but each vessel has its own personality and unique touches. What makes the adventure particularly special is its focus on family fun combined with some seriously impressive entertainment options that we will dive into throughout this review. The ship primarily sails Caribbean itineraries, hitting all the popular spots that cruise lovers dream about. When it comes to accommodations, Carnival Adventure does not mess around with variety. The ship offers everything from budget-friendly interior staterooms to luxurious suites that will make you feel like royalty on the high seas. The interior staterooms are surprisingly well designed for their compact size, measuring around 150 to 185 square feet. These rooms prove that good things come in small packages, featuring clever storage solutions, and some even come with virtual balconies that display real-time ocean views on a screen. The Ocean View staterooms bump up the experience with actual windows, letting natural light flood in and giving you those Instagram-worthy ocean vistas. These rooms are slightly larger than interiors and provide that connection to the sea that many cruisers crave. The balcony staterooms are where things get really nice, offering private outdoor space where you can sip your morning coffee while watching dolphins play in the ship's wake. For families traveling together, the family harbor staterooms are absolutely genius. These specially designed accommodations come with bunk beds and access to an exclusive family harbor lounge, plus priority embarkation that saves you from standing in long lines with cranky kids. The suites take luxury to another level entirely, with some featuring whirlpool tubs, butler service, and access to exclusive areas like the Cloud9 spa facilities. The dining scene on Carnival Adventure is where this ship really shows off. The main dining room, called the Golden Jubilee, serves up classic cruise fare with rotating menus that keep things interesting throughout your voyage. The atmosphere is elegant but not stuffy, perfect for families and couples alike. The Lido Marketplace Buffet is your go-to spot for casual dining, offering everything from American classics to international cuisine that will satisfy even the pickiest eaters. When you are ready to splurge a little, the specialty restaurants are absolutely worth it. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse serves up premium cuts of meat that will make any carnivore weak in the knees, while Bonsai Sushi brings authentic Japanese flavors to the high seas. Guy Fieri's Pig and Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse is a real crowd pleaser, serving up smoky goodness that will have you coming back for seconds. The bar scene is equally impressive with venues like the Alchemy Bar, where skilled mixologists create craft cocktails that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Skybox Sports Bar is perfect for catching the game with fellow sports fans, complete with big screens and that authentic sports bar atmosphere. Whether you are looking for a quiet wine bar or a lively dance club, this ship has got you covered. Pool time on the Carnival Adventure is serious business, and the ship delivers with multiple pool areas designed for different moods and age groups. The main pool area is where the action happens, with live music, pool games, and that classic cruise ship party atmosphere. The adults-only Serenity Pool offers a peaceful escape from the chaos, perfect for those moments when you need to decompress with a good book and a cold drink. The WaterWorks Aqua Park is where kids and kids at heart go wild, featuring water slides and splash zones that provide hours of entertainment. The ship also features multiple hot tubs strategically placed around the pool decks, perfect for soaking while watching the sunset. Sun deck space is plentiful, with comfortable loungers and the option to rent private cabanas for those special occasions. The sports facilities include a mini golf course that is actually challenging and fun, plus a basketball court and jogging track for those who want to stay active during their vacation. The outdoor movie screen is perfect for those romantic evenings under the stars, showing everything from classic films to recent releases. Activities on board the Carnival Adventure are endless, and boredom is simply not an option. The main theater hosts Broadway-style shows that rival anything you would see on land, with talented performers and impressive production values. The comedy shows are genuinely funny, featuring both clean family-friendly acts and adult-oriented performances later in the evening. The casino is a full-service gaming paradise with slot machines, table games, and poker tournaments that can turn a good night into a great one. Daily activities include everything from trivia contests to dance classes, cooking demonstrations, and art auctions. The ship also hosts theme nights and seasonal events that add extra excitement to your cruise experience. For the more adventurous souls, there are rock-climbing walls and the ship's crown jewel, the first-ever roller coaster at sea called Bolt. This innovative attraction takes thrill rides to a whole new level, offering an adrenaline rush with ocean views that you simply cannot get anywhere else on Earth. The Cloud9 Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation that offers everything from basic massages to elaborate spa packages that will leave you feeling like a new person. The thermal suite is particularly impressive, featuring different temperature rooms, steam rooms, and relaxation lounges where you can unwind completely. The spa menu includes facials, body wraps, and even acupuncture for those seeking alternative wellness treatments. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio and strength training equipment, plus group classes like yoga, Pilates, and Zumba that add a social element to your workout routine. The wellness programs include seminars on nutrition and healthy living, perfect for those looking to learn while they vacation. The spa typically operates from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to fit treatments into your schedule. Family cruising reaches new heights on the Carnival Adventure with dedicated kids clubs that are genuinely engaging and fun. Camp Ocean caters to the younger crowd aged 2 to 11, with supervised activities that range from arts and crafts to mini dance parties. The counselors are energetic and genuinely seem to enjoy working with children, which makes all the difference for parents looking to relax. Circle C serves the tween crowd with age-appropriate activities that bridge the gap between kid and teen programs. Club O2 is where the teenagers hang out, featuring video games, social events, and that all-important teen-only space where they can be themselves without annoying adults around. The teen lounges are actually cool, not the afterthought that you sometimes see on other ships. Family staterooms are designed with practicality in mind, featuring bunk beds and layouts that actually work for families traveling together. Childcare services are available for a fee, giving parents the option for some adult-only time when needed. The family programming extends beyond just kids' clubs, with family-friendly shows and activities that bring everyone together. The ports of call from Carnival Adventure typically include Caribbean favorites like Cozumel, Grand Cayman, St. Thomas, and Nassau. Each destination offers its own unique flavor, from the Mayan ruins near Cozumel to the duty-free shopping paradise of St. Thomas. The shore excursions range from adventurous snorkeling trips to cultural tours that give you a real taste of local life. One of the highlights is Carnival's private island experience at Half Moon Cay, where you can enjoy pristine beaches, water sports, and that perfect Caribbean getaway feeling. The ship offers both organized excursions and the flexibility to explore on your own, depending on your travel style and budget. Most ports are docked rather than tendered, which makes getting on and off the ship much easier. The excursion options cater to every interest level, from adrenaline junkies seeking zipline adventures to culture enthusiasts wanting to explore local markets and historical sites. Beach lovers will find plenty of options for soaking up the sun, while foodies can embark on culinary tours that showcase authentic local cuisine. So what is the overall verdict on Carnival Adventure? This ship delivers on its promise of fun for the whole family while maintaining that casual, approachable carnival atmosphere that keeps people coming back. The entertainment options are genuinely impressive, especially that roller coaster, which is absolutely worth experiencing at least once. The dining variety means you will not get bored with food options, and the specialty restaurants offer quality that justifies the extra cost. The ship does get crowded during peak times, which is the trade-off for sailing on such a popular vessel. Pool areas can feel cramped when the ship is at full capacity, and getting reservations at specialty restaurants requires planning ahead. The automatic gratuities and extra costs for specialty dining can add up quickly, so budget accordingly. Service levels are generally solid, with crew members who seem genuinely happy to help and make your vacation memorable. Cleanliness standards are high throughout the ship, and maintenance issues are addressed quickly. The value proposition is strong, especially when compared to some of the more expensive cruise lines offering similar amenities. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.